I'm Serena, and I'm the other half of Fantastical Costumery. We're making Aerith's outfit from the Final Fantasy VII Remake / Rebirth now. I just finished the game yesterday, and oh my gosh, blew my mind. I still have no idea what's going on, though. It was very confusing. We have a little over less than 3 weeks till we're going to wear this 2C2E2 this year. And let's go.
Dremel, prepared. Bracelets, prepared.
Small bracelets. Oh, I forgot the level. Oops. Okay, let's level it really quick.
Take 2, printing begin. Like, how does that even happen? Nothing got moved. Okay, well, never mind on those. Attempt number 3. Finally, after about our 3rd or 4th attempt, we got it to work and we could print the 2nd and 3rd set of bracelets. Bracelet set number 2, complete.
Also, reprinting these bracelets for like the 10th time, I swear. I don't know, a lot. I decided to print them again, try without supports, and they turned out so much better without the supports. Guess they didn't need them. So, reprinting the middle size now. I already reprinted the small size.
Ooh. Wow. The claw.
And here are the finished 3D printed bracelets. I'm definitely going to have to do a little touch-up work, especially on the big one where I had to remove supports. I did reprint these ones, though, a couple times, the smaller ones. Once with supports, one without supports. And without supports is a lot better because I could not get the supports off of the middle size, and it looked like crap on the little size. So, yeah. So here are the finished 3D printed bracelets. Next is to sand them a little bit, prime them, and then paint them.
Nothing like a little late night Walmart run.
It is pretty normal for cosplay. I've got many of these.
Success! Sort of. Still gonna have to go buy a PVC pipe.
Field trip! We're gonna go find us a PVC pipe to fit in the hole. Let's go!
We are so out of our element.
I have the stick.
Success on our errand.
I keep feeling like we're forgetting something. We got the sticks.
Got the sticks.
Just need one of them, but we can make something else with the other stick.
Okay, on to the next thing.
Okay, so it's day 4? Day 4 of making Aerith's remake rebirth outfit. And today we're going to start out with gluing the pieces onto the staff. So I got all these beautiful pieces from a store on Etsy. Didn't feel like 3D printing them myself. That'd be too much of a pain with how little time we have. So got all these in the mail a few days ago. See, they're so nice. And we went to Home Depot last night and got a PVC pipe. Got it cut in half. We have a second one, so we can make another thing.
Whoa.
And we're going to glue the pieces on. Yeah, so busy day.
We matched today.
She stole my shirt.
No, this one, the white one's mine, remember?
No, that one.
It was going to be a long. So we still match.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, show the back. Wait, we got to show the back.
I paid you for the shirt.
BTA.
And then I'm going to start, I think I'm going to glue these end pieces on one side first, and then we'll start sliding pieces on. That's the plan. Got our picture. Okay, start with the end piece. Got our Gorilla Glue. The gel kind. Hopefully it's better. Shake vigorously. I'm shaking vigorously. I'm going to put some on right here. Maybe a little down the barrel. I don't know. Maybe I did it too long. I don't know. Just put little stripes. I don't know. It smells like nail glue. Okay, here we go. Okay. A little glue here. I should have put glue in the pipe there. I missed up there. Line it up with the dip. Next piece is So we're gonna slide like the center ones and the other ones on so we can kind of like get it centered, I think. So like this is a little higher. My stick's a little short because I'm a short person. Okay, it's all glued together. Just waiting for it to set. So now we're gonna work on the bracelets while that sets. Start by just sanding the plastic. Okay.
How's it going?
Oh, I feel like it roll off the table. And then it held together, so hopefully it's okay. Just standing away.
You don't find it plastic, right?
That's why I'm wearing a mask.
Where's your gloves?
It's dry. I wear the gloves when it's wet.
Your skin. Got the second drop cloth going. Look at that technique. Oh, our favorite color. Make sure you're painting the right one. For anyone curious what our spray painted choice is, here's the copper, gold, silver. Staff in progress.
I can paint it silver. We are at good old John's.
Oh, you can't tell because the lights aren't turned on.
Maybe when we come out, we can get a picture of it. We're at John's. We're coming to get fabric for Aerith bow, and I have to look at some leather cording because the one I got on Amazon sucked. And what else do we need? I have a coupon. Here we go. Gotcha.
You can make it out of fleece. For that bubble fleece. Yeah. Oh, there's the pink.
Pink satin.
A little bit light.
Or dark. Sorry, dark. This is very bubblegummy. What do we think? I think it's pretty close. To what people have used, at least.
Mm-hmm. That was my pick.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there it is. It feels like a lining, though, is the only thing.
Oh.
It's a lining.
Dang.
Yeah.
It's the right color, though.
It is.
Okay.
Let's go around and see if we can find the necklace.
Keep looking.
Yeah. This for the necklace. And use this to do something. Finagle something. More lining. That's the same shit. Same. Exact same stuff. Okay, so we found a really nice cotton. It's a good
Perfect color.
But then this lining is perfect color, but it's lining. I'm like, ugh, but it kind of sets the bow apart, which is what we should do, I feel like.
I like that. Looks a little fancy.
Yeah.
This feels like a ribbon Zach would give Aerith.
Okay, let's do that.
John's.
I got the fabric
We're
for the bow. Hopefully it works good. Yay!
We're a bunch of dorks.
Yay!
Making a bow.
I don't know if I'll have enough to tie it or if I'll have to create
It's very big.
I could shorten it and then just create like a middle piece throughout.
Okay.
Or just tie it. And we'll find out. Okay. Now need a little opening so you can flip it right out. Here she is. She's really pretty. Just tied her in a knot. And then I'm gonna glue this comb to the back. And then she should slide right in and be perfect. So I'm adding a clasp to this thing because I'm gonna have to be able to take it off because this is not gonna come off once it's done. I'm having this set. I've actually, what I did, found some gold beads and created like a little slider thing.
Okay.
And it'll slide on to the place once it's set.
Mm-hmm.
And put a little pearl on it. And then I have these egglets to put on the bottom for the bottom pieces.
Okay.
Right now I'm putting this on.
Yeah, it looks great.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It's very comfortable, actually.
Good. Yeah, you didn't make it too tight. It's actually quite loose here.
Too loose?
I think it looks good. I think
Does it look okay like this if it's loose? Because it's actually more comfortable this way.
You'll have to look at the pictures and decide. The necklace is all done. I'm sure Serena already talked about what she did for these parts, but I just took the pleather and I put it in between a damp towel overnight, pressed under some heavy books, so that the moisture could allow the leather to relax and the books could press it into place. And now it looks all good and it's good to go. Hi, we take this brief intermission in your regularly scheduled programming to do the wig. Serena bought this wig, I think she said like 6 years ago. So it's something. I'm also not very good at wigs, so we're gonna learn together today. Okay. This is kind of what I was afraid of. This wig doesn't have the greatest wefts for a middle part and to have a front bang exposed. So we're probably gonna have to sew in some extra wefts. So after a slightly more lengthy lunch break in which we did some research, I have decided to sew some wefts into this wig, which I've never done before. So thank you, Arda, for your amazing tutorials. This wig came with an original ponytail piece, and then we bought a separate one to be longer, but we still the original ponytail piece we weren't using. So I ripped it apart and harvested some wefts. And we're gonna sew these in. I did it. We did it, friends, and I only wanted to cry twice. So I'd say not too bad. And then we're gonna move on to the front bangs, meaning the bits that go in front of her hair. Keep your fingers and toes crossed for me. We're learning so many new things with this project. Let's jump in. So the ponytail piece we had was not going to work for me. So I ripped it apart, and now we're going to sew in all these wefts so that we can have a long ponytail.
Oh,
And it's going to take forever. Let's go.
think I'll have a cosplay time? Okay, it's day, I don't even remember what day it is anymore. 2 days before the con, or day and a night before the con. And we're about to weather and paint the staff with the, make it look cool.
How's it going?
It's going. She honestly doesn't have that much weathering, it's very shiny. I'm just trying to make it fit in the detail so it sticks out a little bit.
Yep, looking good.
I'm gonna do more. I'm gonna go more coats on the material, but I'm just gonna do a little black first. Ugh, so tired.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Hi, sorry for the meltdown. It's the day before the con. We're not doing so well. I tried to peel the bracelet off the board after spray sealing it, and it's stuck. And it, I think, releases. Oh, no, okay. Well, it worked well for the silver ones. It like melted. Yeah, this one totally melted. Don't ever buy this metallic spray paint. The brass one is bad. Gold, silver, great. And the metallic, the color looks great. So glad I get to go touch up all of these now.